video, Home Business Academy, real numbers, real talk, that rebuilt my business in 2025, I'm going to show you something real. Inside HBA, inside SFW, you can make instant commissions of up to $1,500 even if you're at the $7 level yourself. What's SFW? Simple Freedom Warriors. If you stay to the end, I'm going to help you learn how you can get in this for free, okay, and earn up to $1,500 instantly. You earn half on every level, even if you're at the $7 level, okay? If you personally bring someone in, you get half of whatever they buy instantly. No middleman, no waits. You don't have to jump through hoops, okay? And here's where I'm different. If you join HBA at the $25 level with me as your sponsor, I'll personally pay your way into Simple Freedom Warriors out of my own pocket. My mission is to help 60 people before the year ends. Build a business they own, a brand that they control, and an income that lasts. And the kicker, we'll train your people too, so your team grows with you from day one. Stay with me to the very end. I'll break down exactly how those up to $1,500 commissions work, why you still get half no matter what level you're at, and how pairing Business Academy with my Simple Free Warrior bonus turns your first sale into a team that builds with you. Most people are chasing how to start an online business from home or best ways to make passive income online. They get lost in hype. I did that too until I found Home Business Academy and saw how simple it could be to earn residual income through affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how simple it is, okay? What's actually possible for you and your members, okay? I'm going to go to Google, right? And I'm going to look up Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. And I'm going to look up another one, alright? And guess what? I'm not signed in. I'll show you right there. Oops, I didn't want to sign in. I'll go back. Hopefully it works. Come on. Alright. So I'm ranked on YouTube number 1, number 2. This is a sponsor that doesn't count. Number 3, 7. Looks like 10, 11, 12. Here's another member, Andrew Guthrie. Shout out to him. He's only been around in 3 weeks and ranked all over YouTube and Google. If you follow these steps, you will succeed with building any online business. But you need to stand out. You need to separate from the others if you're going to be that badass affiliate. Here's another member of our team. The same member right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you another thing. Look, Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. Number 1 post on it was from Instagram, which is another thing we teach you how to syndicate on other platforms and how to make it even more powerful. Something I'm not even doing. Okay, here's Instagram. 1, 2. Here's another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. This isn't just about another one, and another one, another one, another one, another one bites the dust. And here's my YouTube video for but Home Business Academy is Home Business Academy a scam? So that's a totally different keyword, but right for DFY Marketing System. And here's the other YouTube video, HBA versus ClickFunnels. So the more you do put in the work, the more here's another Instagram post. You can rank for these terms on Google and YouTube with our elite SEO tutorials, okay? We'll take you step by step, show you exactly what to do, okay? And if you're still lost, you can call my mentor, okay? You can also text me or hit me up on Messenger and I'll try to help you. Now, I have a 9 to 5, so my time is limited, but I'm willing to help, and I'm willing to help you with other things like automation. So AI, I made my own prompts that make it easier for you. Give me a minute. So, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so this is yesterday, and I actually was ranked with, after like 7 or 8 hours, I'm going to go to why HBA works for beginners, right? And I look it up in Google first, right? That looks like the #1 video on YouTube, okay? This is Google, okay? But it's showing me a YouTube video. So then we're going to go on Google. We're going to why HBA works for beginners. Well, this is a sponsored ad, #1. And I'm going to show you my team if I see them. Here's another one. And another one. And some of these are big, huge accounts, okay? I saw some. Let me go scroll back a little bit. Mine has 21 views. Look. 196,000 views right here. This is sponsor ad, so an ad, not an account. Here's another one, 2.6 million views, okay? And I'm beating them with 21. I was beating them yesterday with 13 views. So it is possible for you and your team. We'll train you exactly how to do it. We got multiple people doing this, okay? Most people chasing how to start online business from home are best ways to make passive income online. Get lost in hype. Shiny object syndrome. You ever experienced that? I did too until I found Home Business Academy and saw how simple it could be to earn residual income through online marketing, affiliate marketing. Here's why HBA is the smartest $25 you'll ever spend. It comes with a funnel builder with unlimited pages. 80% commission is paid weekly, okay? You own your funnel, your list, and your income, step-by-step training for beginners and builders. So you could have 100,000 people in a few years, you know? You own all the leads. What do they offer? Mentor-driven community that actually answers your questions. Works for any business and any niche. We have high ticket potential. It's through Simple Freedom Warriors. Okay, it's not the same as HBA Home Business Academy, but they complement each other because with Simple Freedom Warriors you can build any online business. Okay, and those $1,500 commissions only are eligible even if you're only at the $7 level. When I hit rock bottom, I didn't need another pep talk. I needed a model that was simple, profitable, and duplicatable. That's exactly what HBA delivered. In my first 30 days using HBA's funnel builders, I saw leads and my first instant commissions promoting products hit my account within hours. I actually got $75 the other day, I think, from Simple Freedom Warriors. Okay, but these are funnels that I built from my training. Okay, HBA gave me the tools to generate leads for online business, build an email list to make money online, and how to start an online business with low startup costs, all without paid ads. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Jim Rohn. HBA makes you better by giving you the training, community, and automation to grow, not just consume. What does consume mean? It means scrolling endlessly for cat videos on TikTok or Reels, Facebook Reels, or Instagram Reels. What's your biggest roadblock right now? Drop it in the comments. I might build the next video around it. I'll show you how to make money online fast and free without sacrificing long-term stability. And yes, HBA is the core of that strategy. The free part is Simple Freedom Warriors. I'm going to give you that training for free if you start for only $25 with Home Business Academy. Okay? Best money you'll ever spend. Yeah, nobody thinks twice spending money at a little fast food for two at, say McDonald's, Carl's Jr., Taco Bell, blah, blah, blah. But you won't spend and invest $25 in yourself? Really? Remember, join HBA through me and I'll cover your Simple Freedom Warriors entry out of my own pocket, from my own dime. That's my way of removing excuses and giving you a head start towards proven ways to make money online in 2025. And again, we'll train not only you, but your people too. Okay? Inside FWW, you get elite affiliate skills, daily leads, traffic sales, and automation that compounds, all designed to work alongside HBA's funnel and training. And we'll train your people too, as will Justin. But Simple Freedom Warriors, by far, is the best program. HBA is awesome. It's residual. It saves you money over ClickFunnels. It does pretty much the same thing. So I would use HBA now. Here's how it works. In HBA, Home Business Academy, if you personally bring someone in, you get half of whatever they buy instantly to whatever processor you want. If you're only at $7 level, you'd be ass out, right? You might make $7. Guess what? Here you make $1,500. I'll show you what that looks real quick. Let's see which one it is. I think it's this one. Okay. If somebody buys duplication formula, boom, $1,500. You get $3,000. Yes, buy duplication for over $300. Email your sponsor. So there's instructions right here what you're doing, and you need to fill these out. Okay. Really cool. I don't know what I just closed out. Okay. That means one high ticket sale at $7 could put hundreds or even over 1,000. It would be 1,500 in this case in your account the same day. Why this matters. Pair that with my free SFW bonus and team training, and your first sale isn't just a commission, it's the start of a team that's already being trained to duplicate your results. So, I see people use HBA to make money online where they stay to start a side hustle to make money and to earn money online without investment, because the system is built for duplication. $25 is nothing nowadays, guys, and you can, with 2 sales, you earn $40. Okay, pretty powerful, right? You'd be in profit with just 2 sales. Reminder: join HBA at the $25 level with me as your sponsor, Home Business Academy, and I'll pay your way in a Simple Freedom Warriors possible. Train your people. That's leverage most people never get. All you gotta do is click on one of my videos. It's not showing when I want it to. And subscribe. I'm logged out, so it probably won't work for me. We'll click on this and see. And subscribe or watch a video in playlists. Right now we have 3 or 4 different playlists, and this is the newest one. So you just hit play all. And then you go back, and I guess you play another one. I need to stop that video. It's bothering me. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. Join me at the $25 level and let's start building your business, your brand, and your income together. I'm only covering this bonus for the next 10 people who join this month because my goal is 60 by the end of 2025, and I want you to be one of them. Okay? I want to show you one more thing, okay? Again, this is very powerful, okay? Why HBA works for beginners. This is, look. Of course it did. Of course it did. Give me a second. We're going to copy and paste this term, so I'll type it out. Copy. Paste. Boom. Number 1 video, number 2 video. Join me inside Home Business Academy, Real Numbers, Real Talk, that rebuilt my business in 2025. This is JJ Solly, a.k.a. John Solly, a.k.a. your friendly neighbor Solomon. Solomon, don't delay. Get with Jay today. It isn't about me. It's about you and your team and building any business. But you need to have pages like this. You need pages like this. So a funnel builder is very important. I'll see you next one. Peace.